Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 453, effective until 1 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Lake, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greeley, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ57 in Rockford.
Well, that came out of nowhere.
Forecast to occur in our listening area.
What?
How'd you know it was coming?
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Footsville, or 7 miles west of Janesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Milton, Clinton, Footsville, Tiffany, Johnstown Center, Leiden, Avalon, and Emerald Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring.
That was weird.
To occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast.
Huh, power flicked. Interesting. Doesn't happen very often.
Broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. Central Daylight Time. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service of Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern King County in northeastern Illinois, Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, west-central Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 a.m. At 11:43 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and out-of-or drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Joliet, DeKalb, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, New Lenox, Sycamore, Yorkville, Channahon, Paducah, Plano, Sandwich, Crest Hill, Montgomery, Shorewood, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Manhattan, and Cortland. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. At 11 p.m. at the Chicago Rockford area.
That one sure did come out of nowhere.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, western Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern King County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Big Rock to Elwood, and we're moving southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, Longport, New Lenox, Mokina, Frankfort, Yorkville, Shalimar, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Crest Hill, Montgomery, Shorewood, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, and Manhattan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's weather radio.
I think I'm gonna set this. Or I'm gonna turn this thing off and I'm gonna try to get some more sleep. And wait till the main event to see what that'll bring. So it looks like it's still gonna be invaded.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 456, effective until 11 a.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Lockport, Lake, Porter, and Stark, and the following: Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha, Rock, and Wowers. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZZ57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station.
Alright. This is for Boone.
Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 6:15 a.m.
Of course, I'm like right on the edge of the polygon.
5:19 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located from Mechesney Park to Harvard, and were moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
Really?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations
really?
include
Really?
Rockford, Crystal Lake, Beloit, McHenry, Woodstock, Loves Park, Mechesney Park, Roscoe, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, South Beloit, Brockton, Marengo, Poplar Grove, Cary, Johnsburg, Lake Muir, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, Candlewick Lake, Fox River Grove, Wonder Lake, Lakewood, and Pistakee Highlands. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZZ57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will... The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:30 a.m. At 5:34 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mechanic to Rockford to near Sterling, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 6:15 a.m. At 5:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
Still haven't gotten anything yet.
Soapville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include West Bend, Grafton, Fort Washington, Soapville, Pittsburgh, Belgium, Fredonia, Cedar Grove, Randon Lake, Newburgh, Adele, Silver Creek, Wildicka, Fillmore, Harrington Beach, St. Park, Boltonville, Simsville, Natavia, Hingham, and Keowns. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, double header.
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:15 a.m.
Hold up.
Moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waukesha.
I love how the quarter-size hail polygons are absolutely huge, and then yet there's never any quarter-size hail. Mainly just a quarter-size hail.
Ottawa, Merton, Houston, Butler, Lenny, and Lac La Belle. Other landmarks included are the following location: Pewaukee Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KZZ.
Oh, come on. Light.
Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to Mid-Lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin until 7:45 a.m. At 5:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southeast of Cedar Grove to 9 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Fort Washington. The National Weather Service gusts up to 40 miles per hour and any size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Freeport. Oh man, it's too early.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Somerset to near Chadwick, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Sterling, Rock Falls, Morrison, Leonard, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Cheyenne, Davis, Chadwick, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Lydot, Coletta, Emerson, Union Grove, Upstick, Hitt, and Carroll County Fairgrounds. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 42 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact Milwaukee, southeastern, Walmart, Rock, and Green counties in Wisconsin. Stated broadcasts will be detailed to bring you the latest weather information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a
Hey, look, it's actually raining out.
southwestern Ozaukee County in southeastern
Hold on.
northwestern Milwaukee County, southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:45 a.m. At 5:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Slinger, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Hartford, Whitefish Bay, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Sussex, Jackson, Fox Point, Slinger, Bayside, Thiensville, Germantown, Glendale, River Hills, Lennon, Ridgefield, and Monches. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Slitson Darwin Nature Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the No Weather Radio KZZ. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 7:15 a.m. At 6:10 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillcrest to Franklin Grove to near Rock Falls, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Dixon, Rochelle, Sandwich, Genoa, Oregon, Amboy, Shibona, Cortland, Hinkley, Silverrock, Kirkland, Waterman, Hillcrest, Maple Park, Malton, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw, Lost Nation, Sublette, Windhaven Lakes, Creston, and Lindenwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. County in northwestern Illinois, southern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 6:45 a.m. At 6:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lanark, or 8 miles northeast of Mount Carroll, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lanark, Pearl City, Cheyenne, German Valley, Lauren, Alberta's Airport, and Bolton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until station. This is Noah's weather radio. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maple Park, or near the Cow, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Lemont, Camden Hills, Burr Ridge, and Oak Brook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The thunderstorm was located near Lanark, 8 miles northeast of Mount Carroll, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is no... The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 a.m. At 7:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Romeoville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Naperville, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Roseland, South Shore, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, and Park Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's weather.
Oh, I forgot I'm really blowing up upstairs. Although it'll turn off after a second.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:03 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waterman, or near Shabona, moving east at 60 miles per hour. A personal weather station gusted to 56 miles per hour with these storms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, DeKalb, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Camden Hills, Plano, Sandwich, Shabona, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Cortland, Wayne, Hinckley, Silmanock, Waterman, Maple Park, and Paw Paw. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. is Noaa's weather.